10,000 euros. That's the amount of money you would have made if you had watched this video last year and then went on to invest 1,000 euros in Tesla. Every day you are not investing, you are literally losing money. And still, if you haven't started, that could be because of the 3 most common beginner problems. 1. You think it's way too complicated and doesn't know where to start. 2. There are a lot of trading brokers available and you don't know which one offers the best service. And 3. You think it involves a lot of money and associated fees. What you ideally need is someone who can explain to you step by step how to select the best broker, how to open a trading account, and then how to trade with the least possible fees. And that's exactly what I'm going to do in this video. But why you need a broker? You can't buy stocks using your bank account or credit card just like you shop things online. The first step to investing is to open a depot account. A depot account is a short form of depository account where you can buy and deposit stocks. This is known as Wertpapierkonto in German. And those financial institutions that provide this depot accounts and the options to trade are called stockbrokers. The traditional approach was to go to a physical broker, pay vast fees, and then trade through the broker. But this has been made a lot easier and cheaper with the arrival of online brokers. When it comes to choosing an online broker in Germany, you are ideally left with 2 options. One is to select an international broker such as eToro or Interactive Brokers, or choose a German broker such as Scalable Capital or Trade Republic. If you are someone who lives in Germany, you have to pay 25% capital tax for all the profits you make on your stock market investments. The main advantage of using a German broker is that they know the German regulations and they can do the tax filing automatically for you and then transfer the taxes directly to the Finanzamt. If you trade with an international broker, you probably might have to do it yourself. And when it comes to German online brokers, some of the leading players are Trade Republic, Scalable Capital, and Comdirect. I've been using Scalable Capital for the last 1 year and I've been totally satisfied with their service. And they offer some very distinct advantages. For expats, it is easier to open an account and complete the verification with Scalable Capital compared to the other brokers. Opening an account is totally free and the transaction cost is either 0 or the cheapest when compared to other German brokers. The user interface is friendly and easy for a beginner investor to understand. You can buy shares faster than the time you take to shop things on Amazon. Both the website and the mobile app are available in English, and this could be beneficial for a lot of expats living in Germany. So now let's go to the website and check how we can register for a new account. You can sign up for an account with your email ID just like you register for any other online service. Click on the link in the description below, which will take you directly to the registration page of Scalable Capital. Once you are in the Scalable Capital website, you can change the default language by clicking on the globe button at the top right corner of the website and then choose the language of your choice. Once you do that, then click on the button Kunde werden to register an account and become a customer. In the next page, you will be asked to select between 2 common services, online broker or wealth management. Wealth management deals with investing your money automatically with robo-advisors, which is not under the scope of this video. So go on to select the broker service and then enter your email ID. You will soon receive a link in your email inbox to verify your account. And once you do that, the next step is to choose a subscription plan. This plan lets you open a savings account for 0 fees. A savings plan is an ideal option for a beginner investor. You can automatically invest a fixed amount at your chosen ETFs or stocks at regular intervals. The free program also lets you directly buy from a category of prime ETFs such as Invesco, iShares and Xtrackers without any additional cost for an order value of about 250 euros. But if you want to trade stocks or funds or ETFs from any of the non-prime partners, you have to pay a fee of 99 cents per trade. This plan lets you have all the benefits of the free plan, but also enables you to make unlimited transactions without any additional cost for an order value of about 250 euros. So essentially, if you're buying anything below 250 euros, then you have the extra cost. And if you're trading anything above 250 euros, then you have to pay 99 cents for the free broker and 0 cents for the prime broker. This plan costs €2.99 monthly with an annual payment of €35.99. The only difference between this plan and the prime broker is that this lets you pay the subscription fees monthly instead of annually. But the drawback is that the plan price is higher than the prime broker and costs around €4.99 per month. To make it easier for you to decide which option to select, if you're a beginner investor and not making a lot of buy or sell transactions, then I would recommend to start with the free plan and then later, as you get more comfortable, upgrade to another plan of your choice. Once you choose a plan, you need to fill out personal details such as name, title, marital status, citizenship, address, and the phone number. After that, you need to choose the country of residence where you're currently taxed from the drop-down list and then enter your tax number or store ID. You can find your tax number in your income tax certificate or in the mails from Finansamt. Adding a tax number is optional during the registration stage and could also be done later. Finally, enter a strong password to protect your account and then move to the next page. Here, you need to enter your bank account details and make an initial deposit. This can be done either by manually transferring from your bank account or giving permission to the broker to collect the fund through SEPA direct debit feature. Although you can start with an amount as low as €1, I would suggest to deposit at least €25. Finally, confirm your details and submit the application to get started with the verification. You will receive an email from Scalable Capital with the link to do the online verification. Click on the link and enter the number from your ID document such as the passport to initiate the verification process using Post-Ident. Post-Ident is a service provided by Deutsche Post in which you can get your identity verified by Deutsche Post employees. You can do this in person at the local post office or download the Post-Ident app and do it online. To verify in person, you have to download and present the Scalable Capital coupon along with your identification document at the local post office. The employee at the post office will verify your identity with the identification document and then send the status to Scalable Capital. You can also complete the verification online by using the video chat feature in the Post-Ident app. You have to open the app and enter the transaction number provided by Scalable Capital and then proceed as per the instructions shown in the app. After you do all this, it would take a few days, probably 3 working days, for Scalable Capital to complete the registration and open and activate your depot account. And only once your account is activated, you can start trading. Scalable Capital offers the possibility to trade either using the website or the mobile app. We will cover both in detail. Open the app and log into your account using your email. The bottom section of the app has 4 tabs. Broker, where you can find your portfolio. Find, where you can search for securities. Wealth, to set up a personal wealth management plan. And finally, the settings for your profile. To start trading, go to the Find tab. You can search for shares or ETFs with the name, the symbol, or the ISIN number in the search field. International Securities Identification Number, or the ISIN, is a unique 12-digit alphanumeric number which is allocated to every security. For example, if you want to buy the stock of Apple, you can find the ISIN number of Apple through a simple Google search. And once you have this number, you can enter this in the search field option in the Scalable Capital app, and the security will be listed below. To buy a share, you have to select the security and click on the button Buy. Here you have 2 options. Either you can enter the amount of euros which you want to buy or the number of shares. And below it shows an estimate of how many shares you can buy with the entered amount. Or you can enter the number of shares you want to purchase and it will show how much money it will cost. Then just click on the Prepare Order and then you will be taken to a summary page with your order details. Just click on the Buy button. The trade is made and the securities will be visible in your portfolio. Similarly, to sell the shares, you select your security you own in your portfolio. Then click on the option Sell. The procedure is similar to what we did for buy. Just enter the number of shares you wish to sell and then click on the Prepare Order button. You'll be taken to the order details page where you have to confirm the order by clicking on the Sell button. The option most interesting for a beginner investor would be how to set up a monthly savings plan. The initial steps are the same. You select the security you want to buy and click on the Setup Savings Plan button. Here you can choose the amount you intend to invest periodically. The minimum amount is as low as €1. I would recommend to start at a lower amount and then increase gradually as you get more comfortable with trading. You also have the option to change the frequency of your plan to monthly or once in 2 months or once in a quarter. Also, you can set the date when you want the plan to be executed. Finally, click on the Activate Savings Plan button and your savings plan is activated. The amount will be automatically deducted from your bank account at the interval set by you. You can set it once and then forget it and then let the money grow automatically. Here you have complete control and can change or disable the plan at any time. To start trading through the website, go to scalablecapital.com and then log in with your credentials. Click on your plan, which will take you to your personal portfolio page. In the search field on the top, you can search for the desired security you want to invest in. And once you enter the name or the ISIN number, your security will be listed. Select the security and you will be presented with 3 options: to sell, or to buy, or to set up an automatic savings plan. The procedure to trade from the website is similar to how we did it in the app. To buy a share, you have to click on the option Kaufen, which means to buy in German. Similarly, to sell shares you own, you have to click on the button Verkaufen, which means to sell in German. Then enter the desired amount or the number of shares you want to trade and then click on the Order Vorbereiten, which means prepare your order in German. and then you'll be taken to the order summary page. Here you can verify the details and complete the order by clicking on either the buy or the sell button below based on what you want to do with the security. Finally, to set up a savings plan, click on the Sparplan Einrichten button at the top of the portfolio page. Enter the amount you want to save regularly and then set the frequency of your savings plan. Finally, click on the Sparplan Aktivieren button to finish the setup. If you want to open a Scalable Capital account, you can use the link in the description below. And if you know someone who wants to invest, share this video with them. That would mean a lot. Opening a trade account with a broker is just the first step. To make profits from your stock market investment, you have to create a well-diversified portfolio with the best ETFs and shares. That's why you should watch this video in the series where I explain how to set up a simple beginner portfolio based on your personal risk level. And if you have any more questions, just write in the comment section below and I will try to answer. Until I see you in another video, stay safe, stay happy, bye.